Hello, it's High-Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Blenders. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Kalzer Countertop Blender. 2200 watt motor has the power to crush through whole fruits, vegetables and ice in seconds. Our stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. Number 4. Ninja BL660 Countertop Blender. Ninja Professional Blender with Nutri Ninja Cups has 1100 watts of professional performance power, with 3 speeds, pulse, and single-serve functions. 72-ounce total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds, for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. Number 3. OMMO Blender. BPA-free material, 6-tip stainless steel blade friction heating, precise container design. OMMO 1800W Countertop Blender has the power to crush through whole fruits, vegetables, and ice in seconds. Number 2. NutriBullet ZNBF3050Z Blender. The Easy Twist extractor blade is made of powerful stainless steel and designed with cyclonic action. Our super durable, BPA-free pitcher and cups are made of high-performance plastic. Simply place pitcher and cups in the dishwasher and rinse the Easy Twist extractor blades with soap and water. Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender. 64-ounce container, variable speed plus high power, specially designed tapper, easy cleaning, high-performance motor, precise container design. Stainless steel blades, blade friction heating, easily adjust speed to achieve a variety of textures. The dial can be rotated at any point during the blend, so you're in complete control.